We are supposed to simplify. What are we doing, man? We are combining everything that we have learned. So we know how to factorize, we know how to find the product. So we need those skills so that we can move on from here. Now, if you look at the following here, they simply say we should simplify. Now we have a numerator and then we also have a denominator. Okay? Now, how many times do you see on your numerator? Let's check. How many times do you see here? This is term number 1. Okay? They're separated by a plus. Term number 2. Now, what seems to be common between these two terms? On the numerator, we're going to deal with the numerator and then we're also going to deal with the denominators. We have a common factor of 3x. So we say between 12 and 3, what's common? It's 3. You will agree. No? Okay, sharp. Now we look at, do we have x here and then we also have x here? Yes. Was it you? You said we take this, the one with the smallest exponent. So which one has the smallest exponent? Yeah? So we take x. Okay, sure. And then do we have y this side? Do we have y this side? And then what is the smallest? So we take y. Open bracket. Now, if I take out that one here, basically it means I'm dividing by 3xy. So if I divide by 3xy, 12 divided by 3, it's 4. X and x cubed, and x squared. Y cancels y. Okay, then you have your plus divided by 3xy. Y left it? Are you sure? Yes. So we put 1 here. All over 9y squared. Yeah? Now, look at this thing here. It's confusing for learners to realize, but this is one thing here. You can say if it's confusing, let whatever is inside your bracket to be k. Let 4x squared plus 1 to be equal to k. So that you will look at it this way. Look at this. Then I'm going to have 3xy multiplied by, I'm going to put it with a different color so that you remember. Multiplied by k. Can you see this again? All over 9y squared. Now here's what I don't want. You need to understand the following. I couldn't do something like this. I couldn't say 9 divided by 12 because there was still an addition. So I needed to make it to be one thing. If you can look at this one here, there's a multiplication, there's also a multiplication. Once there's a multiplication, it means it's one term. Then I can use the laws of division. I can say 3 divided by 9. What is 3 divided by 9? Okay, 3 into 3 goes how many? 3 into 3 goes how many times? It goes once. 3 into 9 goes how many times? 3 times. No? And then you still have, yeah, look at this. You have x again. You have y. No? We're going to take this one and take it down here because one is to the power of 1. This one is to the power of 2. No? So we take the smallest one. And then if we take the smallest one, it means we are going to have y 2 minus 1. Like this. And then you're going to have x still remaining on the numerator. So I'm simply going to write it as x multiplied by your k. Now that you have that, you have this one minus this one. What do you have? It's 1. So it means we're going to have x all over 3y. Which is k? We know what is k. What is k?
4x squared plus 1.
It's 4x squared plus 1. Then this is going to be our final answer. So I'm going to give you a mark for factorizing, for simplification, and we're also going to get a mark for the final answer.